Hi everyone, ready to explore a new hotel? Grand Hyatt Singapore. Let's go! After being closed for a massive multi-year renovation, the Grand Hyatt Singapore has officially opened as of August 2024. I'm coming out of an underpass on Scots Road as I've just taken the MRT to get here. So we're here on Scots Road, which is located near Orchard Road. Grand Hyatt is over there. On a Saturday morning, it's weirdly quiet and not many people are here. The walkway from the exit of the underpass to the hotel isn't sheltered, so if it rains, it's good to have an umbrella ready. Here, we've made it. Immediately I see this gorgeous sunshine yellow flowers and they brighten up my day a bit more. As I'm ready to check in, that's when the check-in counter lady lets me know that the room is not ready. Fortunately, they let us wait in the lounge on 10 Scots. Why I say lounge with double quotes is because this one is temporary and the real lounge is still a work in progress and it's expected to open in 2025. And here's what I ate while I waited for the room. They were serving some snacks like you see here. We got some chips and my favorite muscat grapes and other fruits. Some nutritious energy bars too. And if you're seeing my other videos, you'll know that I can't function without my Earl Grey tea. After not too long, the lady came by to tell us that the room was ready. So let's see if this room is worth the wait. As I mentioned, Grand Hyatt just came out of a multi-year renovation. As of today's filming, Grand Wing is still under renovation. We open until public in 2025. Keep in mind if you're planning to visit, we'll be checking out the Terrace Wing.
Sorry. It's okay. It's okay.
Here's a room, king bedroom with club access. On the left is a full-length mirror that spans across the hallway, which creates a sense of space. Imagine after a long day of meetings or shopping, this relaxing resort vibe just instantly put you at ease. I'll show you my favorite part of the room in a minute, but before that, here's the side of the bed. The arrow points to the direction to Mecca for prayer. Today you can use apps to find the direction, but it's a nice touch that Hyatt has put in to accommodate an international clientele. The other side of the bed has these buttons to control the room lighting and this speaker radio device which doubles as a phone charger.
Bluetooth. FM radio.
I was born with gifts, but clearly turning on the radio on this device was not one of them. Alright, here's my favorite part of the room and the reason it's called the Terrace Wing. The rooms in the Terrace Wing have these cool terraces that just pop out and the space is just perfect for chilling out. Also, it's much nicer than what it looked like pre-renovation. Let's do a TV check. This is the screen that you see once you turn the TV on. It's about 65-inch smart TV. The remote is kind of a struggle. You've got to press those buttons hard to get it to change the channel. So we've got some international channels. And here let's check out some hotel facts. Grand Hyatt Singapore has got 699 rooms and talk about options, 5 restaurants and 2 bars. They've got wellness facilities too. We'll take a look after the room tour. It says here that the swimming pool is opening soon, but guess what? It's actually already open. How do I know? Because I went there. By the way, if you like what you see so far, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps me out and means a lot as I build this channel. Thanks for your support. So let's check out the other areas of the hotel room. Here we are in the bathroom. It's just a cool room. Check out the cup. They've upgraded the bathroom such that it now contains 2 sinks instead of 1. I'm seeing Bauman toiletries, Bauman soap, I guess this is a shower mat. Some of the drawers don't open. This drawer contains all the toiletries you need for a comfortable stay. And if these are not enough, you can also order more from the app. Something to note about the app, it did take a while for it to load once I scanned the QR code. Probably my phone was having some issues with the Wi-Fi that day. But yeah, it did take about 1 minute to load. And this last drawer contains the hairdryer. Here's the door that opens up into the bathroom. There are 2 glass doors, and this one leads into the toilet. The lid automatically opens when you walk in. As for the shower, it's a dual setup with both a rain shower and a handheld option. Of course, there's more Bellman toiletries here. Let's do a water test. The Hyatt showers are usually great because they come with these handy push button controls, which I love. Alright, the water pressure is looking pretty solid. Goodbye shower. Moving on to the wardrobe area. Quite spacious, can fit 2 suitcases easily. The bathrobes are to the side. You can't tell, but these have got to be the softest bathrobes that I've been in. Once you close this door, the bathroom is completely out of sight. All you see is the wardrobe area. And if you're walking into the room, the wardrobe would be to your left and the hallway to your right. So I'm getting thirsty. I'm gonna make myself a coffee. Here's this Ely coffee packet that comes complimentary. Putting the pod into this little section, I just have to push down this lever. That should be fairly easy. I don't know what I was doing, but the coffee didn't turn into coffee, or the coffee just turned into warm water. I'm just not good with these devices, everyone. After the failed coffee making attempt, I decided to check out the other parts of the hotel. So I'm going to level 1 where we have the pool. Grand Hyatt Singapore's pool area also underwent a facelift as part of the hotel's recent renovation. The updated design features a more contemporary look with improved amenities and a tranquil environment. I was here around 3 p.m. and it was surprisingly quiet. Maybe people still think it's not open. Either way, it's an amazing place to chill out and soak up the relaxing vibes. It's afternoon tea at the Grand Club Lounge. I'm having my usual Earl Grey tea, iced this time. The afternoon tea options were pretty limited. It was essentially the same snacks from the morning with just a few samosas added. Nothing to report here. Evening cocktails at the Grand Club Lounge. What can I say? Alcohol, alcohol, and alcohol. I'm planning to enjoy a glass of this Lescarel with my dinner tonight. Unlike the disappointing afternoon tea, cocktail hour was quite impressive. There was an amazing spread of gourmet food, artisanal cheeses, sushi rolls, mini quiches, even some sweet pastries. It's so good you could easily make it a dinner if you're feeling hungry. Definitely worth checking out. For my first plate, I went with seafood salad, duck salad, and sushi roll. Every bite was delicious and flavorful. The seafood was so fresh, and the duck had this perfect balance of tenderness and seasoning. And sushi roll, simple classic, but it really hit the spot. Definitely a great way to kick off the meal. For the second round, I had gin and tonic for the drink. For the plate, I had asparagus, steak, pea soup, and this pastry inside, which was very nice too. And to top it all off, the staff surprised me with a birthday cake. I was really touched. It was definitely the highlight of the cocktail session. Huge thanks to the amazing Hyatt staff. Overall, my stay was great. A few tech glitches here and there, but Grand Hyatt is a solid choice. I think the Grand Hyatt Singapore cocktail hour was definitely a highlight, and the staff were super friendly, and the rooms felt like a total retreat. I loved it.